Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your monitor refresh rate on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, right click on your desktop anywhere. So just right click and then click on this option which says display settings, which is going to open this kind of window. Now in here you need to just scroll at the very bottom where it says advanced display. Okay, so just click on this, and here when you scroll down you will be able to see the refresh rate of your monitor, right? So in my case currently it's 60.04 Hertz. Now if you have multiple displays, you can change the display from here and then view the refresh rate for that particular display in this section, right? So I only have one display right now, but if you have multiple display connected, this drop down menu will show multiple options, and using which you can change the display and see the setting. If your display supports multiple refresh rates, then you can just click on this drop down menu, and then it's going to show you other refresh rates also which your monitor supports, and you will be able to change your refresh rate for a particular monitor using this option. Okay, so this is how you can check and view display refresh rate on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.